This model allows us to see how the equatorium described in Peterhouse manuscript 75 would have helped a medieval astronomer to compute the positions of the planets. The Instructions button explains how to use the model. You can choose any date in the past or future, either by selecting from the pop-up calendar or by typing with your keyboard. Let's say, for example, you wanted to know the position of the planet Mars on the 1st of August 1960. You input that date and then choose the function on the Action tab. Now the Next Step button appears, and you can follow the stages of using the equatorium step by step. At any time, you can zoom in and out using the zoom slider, or by another method, such as a mouse wheel. You can also pivot the equatorium, or change your angle of view by left-clicking on the wooden disc and moving your mouse. If you right-click, you can change the viewing point. The separate parts of the equatorium, like the brass epicycle and threads, can also be moved independently by clicking and dragging. If you want to close one of the text boxes that appear as you go through the steps, just click on the X. At any time during the procedure, you can change the date, and the equatorium will instantly change its position. When you reach the final step, you can read the result in the text box, or just zoom in to read the scale on the disk, and then click Reset if you'd like to try another function.